Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Basecamp project calendar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you invite someone to a Basecamp project calendar event? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to invite someone into a calendar event in your Basecamp project anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you're probably working with a lot of different projects and teams, and sometimes you're going to have a coworker join in on a calendar event or even a client. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to invite somebody to a calendar event in your Basecamp, you need to find the project first. So click right here on View All Projects in a List. Once you do that, you're going to see all the projects you're working on, and just scroll through until you find the project. So for example, this one right here. Next, you're going to click down here on Schedule. Once you do that, you're going to see all of your calendar events. So if you want to invite somebody to one of these calendar events, just click on the event. Once you do that, you're going to click on this edit button here on the top right. Once you do that, look for this green person icon and click in there and just type in the name of the person you want to add into the calendar event. Now, if you start typing in their name and it doesn't pop up, that means you haven't added them into the project yet. So you're going to need to go back here to the project board. Once you do that, click here on add some people, and you're going to click here add people, and you're going to go ahead and just type in their name, and it should pop up, and click on their name, and then you want to add them to the project. Okay, so now you can see they're added into the project. So we'll go back here to the board and then go to schedule, and then we'll go down to the calendar event right here, and same thing, click on edit, and right in here in the green person icon, click next to it and just type in their name, and it should pop up, and just click on their name and then click on update this event. So if this is a recurring event, they're going to ask if you want to go ahead and add them into all recurring events that are similar. For me, I'm going to click no, just this event. Quick second later, the page refreshes. Now if we go back into that event right here, you're going to see the other participant that we invited into our calendar event. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to invite someone into a calendar event in your Basecamp project, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.